Hello, I am Srilata, Chief Dietitian, Medicover Hospitals, Madhapur. Now we all know that it has become a pandemic and it is quite worrisome and a health burden for the globe. So as a responsible citizen, we are supposed to take certain measures to control the disease spread and also to reduce the severity of the infection. So basic things we need to do is personal protection. Whenever we are going in public areas, we need to protect ourselves by wearing a facial mask. Could be a disposable mask or could be a cloth mask, but stay protected. Most important is with a droplet infection. So always cover your face, nose and mouth, and hand hygiene is most important as we move in different areas using different equipments for our mobility. So lifts or doors or could be any knobs, could be tap knobs. So always hand hygiene practices are more important, and effective hand hygiene is really important. A plain soap water or a hand liquid or anything like that, a detergent should help us in cleaning our hands thoroughly. And people who are suffering from a respiratory illness, could be cough accompanied with fever or cough with shortness of breath, should be isolated. People having this suspected respiratory illness should be given primary treatment at home. If that doesn't subside even after 5 to 7 days, should seek medical help and should be tested for COVID-19. And regarding the nutrition, there's nothing to happening within a day or two. So basically we need to focus on a balanced diet which accompanies with lot of varied foods like your carbohydrates coming from whole grain cereals, pulses, different colored fruits and vegetables, green leafy vegetables, nuts and oil seeds, and milk products. There's a lot of myth around saying that to stop non-veg, but non-veg can be taken and recommended amounts as per the population. So that should be thoroughly cooked, and when refrigerating non-veg foods which are raw especially should be taken care of. When preserving fish or chicken or meat should be wrapped in a polyethylene bag and should be refrigerated in a deep freezer properly, and should not be stored along with the cooked food or the raw salad vegetables or raw fruits. This could be a potent source of infection. So wash vegetables thoroughly and fruits thoroughly before you consume them, and keep the non-veg foods separately in a deep freezer and avoid contamination. And people who are affected with COVID-19 should be hydrated well and take a proper diet in small frequent meals, and should not be panic and should be stay away. Isolation is most important, and the only thing we need to understand is to eat a balanced diet. No food supplements or nothing is going to work out on. So better not to get carried away with any advertisements or any videos. So eating a balanced diet will keep us healthy always, but do not forget the hand hygiene and protecting your face from the droplet infections or inhalations. And most important, to isolate the respiratory illness patients and to stop going out for a social gatherings or any other picnics and parks. Social distancing is most important. This is how we keep a checkpoint on the spread of infection and the severity of the disease. Thank you.